I got something in the mail from Duke Energy. Basically, they were offering for a discount in promotion credits if you install this on your Teslas. So since I have 3 Tesla, Model S, 3, and X, they send you a gift card via PayPal, and they also send you some other promotion discount on charging. So what it is they give you this, I guess, harness you plug in on your Model 3 S or X, and it connects basically an OB2 reader. Comes in a box, and it gives you instructions on how to install it. And I'm gonna do this today. So install this on the Model 3, and I'll do another video on the Model S, which is the same as the X. And how to install it. The instructions are here, and it tells you what you need to do to get the SmartCharge reward. I'll put the link on the comments section if you guys want to do this. Right now, this is for Florida, as far as I know. And it shows you when you start it on the Model 3, which is right in the back here. That's why basically the diagnosis information is on the back of the Model 3. Now let's get to it. Back of the Model 3, back seat, there is this panel that we need to take out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a tool to pry that out. Just all the clips, you just pull on it. But you need something shaped, either L shape, to be able to pull this. So this is the harness. We take it apart and we're gonna put it together. So I'm just gonna put this down and I'm gonna hook it up. Disconnected. So now we're just gonna plug in this attachment that came in. I do this with one hand while holding the camera. See if I can put this on here. All right, the snaps in there. This goes on the harness that was attached on here. And that's all connected. Now you actually have a OBD2 that maybe in the future could be used for diagnosis. Something that we don't know how to do because typically Tesla doesn't offer this at all. But by doing Florida electricity with Duke Energy, you might be able to get one of these, which might come in handy in the future. So now all you do is just tuck it back in there, out of the way, make sure nothing gets pinched, and put the panel back on. Right now it's tucked away, and I was just gonna connect this power, which connects to the, it looks like cell tower, and from that Duke Energy get information, and I'll get the credits. All right, now it's connected. Now this actual is too big to fit inside the plastic there, so you can tuck it away and leave that side out, and you can see this connecting to the cell network, and keep it off the side. You can tuck it in here if you like later on. I might do that later. For the time being, that's just I just want to make sure everything works before I go any further. But thanks for watching. Again, look at the comments. I'll be putting in the links for Florida electricity, which is Duke Energy. And again, support this channel by if you need to looking for a Model 3 S or X, and use my referral link.